Good day everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Buying something on Facebook Marketplace, Discord, or from a freelance designer, scammers will practically beg you to use friends and family to avoid fees. Don't do it. Today I'm showing you how to use goods and services, the only payment method that gives you a full refund if the seller disappears or sends you a box of rocks. It's the ultimate insurance for your online shopping. Okay, and firstly let's get you protected. Open your PayPal app and tap on Send. There's going to be this button here. Then just type in your amount when you find the person, of course, and the critical choice. PayPal will ask, what's this payment for? You'll see two icons. You can tap Goods and Services. This is necessary, and this selection is what triggers the purchase protection algorithm. If you choose the other one, your money is gone the moment you hit Send. And also you can add a note, so just be specific. Write payment for, item name, including shipping. This helps PayPal's dispute team if things go south. And also the fee talk. Remember that the seller pays the fee. It's around 2.9%. If a seller asks you to cover the fee by sending extra, that's common, but never let them talk you into switching to friends just to save a few bucks. It's worth the small cost for the peace of mind. So choose your funding source, bank balance or card, and slide to pay. And that is pretty much it. You've covered yourself, and your seller gets a notification to ship your item. That's it. Hit subscribe and like the video. See you soon.